In Plus 2 Commerce, Lesson 50, Recent Trends in Marketing. In that, we are going to see e-marketing or electronic marketing. First, we will see what is e-marketing. Electronic marketing or e-marketing is the process of marketing of products and services over internet and telecommunication networks. In simple words, marketing strategies and techniques which are used to access target customers through online mode are referred as e-marketing or online marketing or digital marketing. Let us see the objectives of e-marketing. The foremost objective of e-marketing is expansion of market share. That is, it helps to expand the market throughout the world. And the second one is reduction of distribution and promotional expenses. Third objective is achieving higher brand awareness. Fourth objective, strengthening database. That is, the e-marketing strengthens the database of the company. Let us see the advantages of e-marketing. The first one is anytime market. That is, e-marketing provides 24 into 7 days service to its users. The second advantage is less cost. That is, direct contact by the consumer with the manufacturers cuts down the cost so that e-marketing becomes cheaper. The third one is buying all wants and needs. That is, the customers can buy whatever they want by browsing the various sites. Let us see the disadvantages of e-marketing. Though e-marketing has so many advantages, it also criticized by certain disadvantages. The first one is high cost. That is, the company has to spend more amount to design the website, software, hardware, maintenance of business site, online distribution cost, so that the cost of the product is high. The second disadvantage is not suitable for small size business. Because of high cost in installation of e-site, it is not suitable for small size business concerns. The third point is difficulty in updating website. While the customers are increasing day by day, it is difficult for the companies to update the information in the website. The fourth point is lack of security. That is, most of the customers are purchasing products by using their credit cards for making payment. So, there is a fear of their cards being misused by fraudulent practitioners. Now, we will see the difference between e-marketing and traditional marketing. The first point is promotion of product. In case of e-marketing, it is very economical and faster to promote the product. In case of traditional marketing, it is very expensive and takes more time to promote the product. The second point is global access. In case of e-marketing, it is quite easier to promote the product globally within a short time. But in case of traditional marketing, it is very expensive and time consuming to promote the product globally. The third point is manpower. In e-marketing, the e-business firms can expand their operation with minimum manpower. But in case of traditional marketing, it needs more manpower. Fourth point, 24 into 7 hours business. In case of e-marketing, the products can be bought and sold around the clock throughout the year. In case of traditional marketing, this is not possible.